In this video, I'll show you how to file an extension on TurboTax. Once you are on your TurboTax account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And below, you want to click on Tax Tools. Now, once you click on Tax Tools, at the bottom, you will have a drop-down. And from here, you want to choose the first option, which is Tools. Now, once you click on Tools, a pop-up will show. This will be the Tools Center. In here, you can do a topic search or your fees. If you do want to file an extension, head over to the bottom. This will be the other helpful links. And at the very bottom, you'll find an option to file an extension. Now, if you click on File an Extension, a pop-up will show again at the top. And from here, this will be TurboTax Easy Extension. Now, if you do want to file an extension, it will be with TurboTax Easy Extension. So at the bottom, click on Continue. And once you click on Continue, it will automatically take you to a new tab. And from here will be TurboTax Easy Extension. Now in here, it will ask you if you didn't finish your taxes by this year, which is April 15. And at the bottom, in order for you to have an extension, you need to at least have one of these two conditions. The first condition is if you are a US citizen or a resident who is actively serving the military outside the US or Puerto Rico as of April 15, 2026. At the bottom, this will be if you are a US citizen or resident who was living outside the US or Puerto Rico and your main place of work was outside the US or Puerto Rico as of April 15, 2026. So from here, you need to at least have one of these options in order for you to be applicable for an extension. So let's say we will have the second option as yes, and the first option is no. And at the bottom, click on Continue. And once you do that in here, you will have two dates. The first date is the 15th of June. This is where you can file your taxes to avoid a late filing penalty. And on the 15th, if you need more time to finish your taxes and to avoid filing a late penalty, you can file an extension for this date. So at the bottom, click on File an Extension. And once you do that in here, if you do have a spouse within TurboTax, it will ask you if you are planning to file on your own or with your spouse. Let's say on my own. At the bottom, click on Continue again. And in here, it will ask you for your personal information. It will also ask you for your mailing address and contact information. In here, you want to add either a US address or a foreign country. At the bottom, click on Continue again. And in here, it will ask you if you want to do TaxCaster. It's free. It's their tax calculator to estimate your total taxes that are due. From here, you can add them on your own. This will be your 2025 federal tax, the total liability, which is the Form 1040 on line 24, or your total 2025 federal taxes that were paid. So in here, you just want to jot them down. You can even leave the second option as blank. At the bottom, click on Continue. Now in here, if you don't own taxes now, it will automatically say, but in here, you can still continue with the extension or work on your taxes if TurboTax Easy Extension doesn't rate it. Let's say we want to continue with the extension. And once you do that in here, you can save the time and get a lower price. Just click on Continue. From here, it will review your information before moving on. You want to double check on the right-hand side, you will still have an option to edit them. In here, you need to add your consent to disclosure. So in here, you need to create a 5-digit signature ID. The PIN must be 5 digits and you have to remember this. So let's say for 5, at the bottom, you want to complete the CAPTCHA. And at the bottom, click on Transmit My Forms Now. And in here, as you can see, we have already filed our federal extension. In here, it will automatically state to be sure to file your taxes by 10/15/2026 when you're ready to get started. You can simply do it in here. So at the bottom, you can print or save the extension. And at the bottom, you can even choose how you want to file the state extension. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.